Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you a very special song from the black and white era. This song is Kabhi Aar Kabhi Paar. It got very popular in the 90s with its whole remix thing, but we are not doing the remix, we are doing the original version. So are you ready for this tutorial? Let's start. Let's start with the choreography. Okay, so we start facing behind, which means the audience will see our back first. And you go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, like chasse. And the hand will go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The hand will go like this 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So right hand first and then the left hand. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Make sure that you bend your body and you do that. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here you hop. You go right side first. This is the right side. So the left leg goes up and the hands go in Ala Padma diagonal. Okay, right is down, left is up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you interlock your hands like this and you just do 3, 4. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from here you go dipping step and your hand goes from left to right, you swing. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the right leg is going up and I'm dipping on the left leg. So I just go 1, 2, 3, 4. And the hand will go 1, 2, 3, 4. From here you change the dipping leg and you go 5, 6, 7, 8. Again facing behind. And the hands will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is just going like this. And the other hand is here. The left hand is here and you go 5, 6, 7, 8. From here you go 1 and 2. You hop, 3 hops. So you are facing behind, then you face front. And you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yeah, let's do that 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now from here, you will face forward immediately and you will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use your hip when you do that. And the right leg is going front and back. And the hands will go swing right, left, right, left. Watch. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's try the whole thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 you stop and then 7, 8 you come forward as if someone has pushed you. So you go 7 and 8, pose. Okay, this looks like I'm holding the instrument called Shehnai. So I'm doing this and just pose here. Okay. Now again, it doesn't really have any meaning or relevance in this song. It's just for the aesthetic and just to make a nice pose. Okay, can we try this with music? Five, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and pose. So I just realized actually we do this for 8 counts. So we just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you have an extra 4 count. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay? Let's do this with music one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Two, 4. Forward. Pause. Okay, moving on. Now the lyric starts. Kabhi aar, kabhi paar. So what we have to do is take the right hand, take it around your face and point. Okay, so you go shift your weight left and right. So kabhi aar, kabhi paar. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, going behind. Okay, right leg is behind, left leg is in front, and you show the bow and arrow. Okay, this is Shikara and this is Katka Mukha. Like this. And like this. Okay, you pull it back. You pull and look. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. You take a step forward with the right leg. So you step forward, 7. So you go 7 and you open. Okay, open your hands like this. Both the palms are in front and you look in front. 5, 6, 7. Kabhi aar, kabhi paar, lagati re nazar. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kabhi aar, kabhi paar, lagati re nazar. Okay, then the line repeats again. So we go from here. You go 1, 2. Okay, just twist your hip like this. So first right leg and left side. This is my left side. So I go 1, 2. So kabhi aar, kabhi paar, you turn. Laga is like as if you're shooting. Okay, like this. Laga, dipping, dipping step, going behind. So you go 1, 2 and 3. 3, you just show your eyes like this. Like this. Okay, 5, 6, the second one. 5, 6, 7. Kabhi aar, kabhi paar, lagati re nazar. And just down up. Okay, let's do these both lines with the music.
kabhi aar kabhi paar lagati re nazar kabhi aar kabhi paar lagati re nazar.
Moving on from there, after this, after you finish here, you just have to put your weight on the left leg and let the right leg flow like this. Okay, draw a semicircle. So you just go Saiya. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Saiya Ghayal Kiya. Okay, Ghayal is like to be injured. So you're fainting and you just go hop, hop, hop back. So you go 1, 2, 3. And it's as if you're falling back. Okay, that is the feeling. So you just go 1, 2, 3. So Saiya Ghayal Kiya. Saiya Ghayal Kiya re tune. Tune, you will hold your hand like this. Okay, this finger, little finger, and you hold it. And you go right, left, right. Tune mora. Okay, for mora you go right, left, right. And you go down, down for jigger. And you look left side down. You go down, down. Cut through your heart, through your chest. And you go down, down. Okay, let's do the whole line. 5, 6, 7. Saiya ghayal kiya re tune mora jigar. Simple. Can we do the whole thing with the music? Let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. Hop. From back. Down, down, up, forward. Pose.
kabhi aar kabhi paar lagati re nazar kabhi aar kabhi paar lagati re nazar saiya ghayal kiya re tune mora jigar kabhi aar
Amazing. Moving on from there, again kabhi aar kabhi paar, the whole thing repeats. We'll change the choreography. Okay, now what we have to do is, so we'll start from here. Okay, 5, 6, we actually finished here, right? Mora jigar. Now from here, your right hand is on the shoulder and it goes round. 1, 2. So you go 1, 2. And while you do that, you twist your hip. You use your hip and it's twisting. You're using your leg. It's like 1, 2. So you go 1, 2 together. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 3, what you do is you take your hip up like this and your hand is going like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. 4 you turn. It's so fast. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now from here you go behind, dipping step. And your hand goes like this. You open it from the chest line. Okay? And while you do that, you do the wave movement. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So when you do the wave and dipping, it goes like this. Okay? And if you do not do wave, it's also fine. You can just go 1, 2. Okay? 5, 6 from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 you take it down. And 7. Okay? Down like this. Covering your face, like crossing your face and coming down. The whole thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Round, round and twist. Turn, wave, wave and stop. So what we'll do is we'll look down and we'll look up. Now from here you go slow. You go 1, 2. Actually this is better. 1, 2, 3. So you go 1, 2. Okay, it's slow. The whole rhythm is 1, 2 and 3, 4. So I'm just doing the chest movement over here. Front chest movement. I go 1, 2 and take a step forward. 3 is a pose. Left hand is behind, right hand is in front and the right leg is in front. 5, 6, 7. Kabhi aar, kabhi paar, laga. Now from here you go tire. You show your eyes like this. Your beautiful eyes. Look away and look in front. So tire nazar. Nazar, you look in front. Open, look right side and look in front. Okay. Can we do both the lines together? 5, 6, 7. Kabhi aar, kabhi paar, laga tire nazar. Kabhi aar, kabhi paar, laga tire nazar. Okay. Now from here, Saiya ghayal kiya. Again we'll shoot. So when you shoot, you travel forward. You go 1, 2, 3. Right leg is in front. Other hand is down over here, left hand. And this is like as if you are killing yourself. 5, 6, 7. Saiya ghayal kiya. Re tune, you turn. Mora is like this. Okay, facing the right side. And from down to up, you pose. Left leg is on the toe like this. And you're up and then you go right, left. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Saiya ghayal kiya re tune mora jigar. You look left side down. Okay, and you're sitting down like this on the hip and the leg is bent. Okay, we'll try with music the whole thing. Okay, one thing that I want to tell you have to remember when you've done this pose, you go right, left and look. Don't look at the same time. It's better if you do this and you go jigar and then you look there. Also I realized that after we've done tire nazar, kabhi is nothing. Okay, no, saiya, sorry. Tire nazar, saiya ghayal. On ghayal you shoot. Saiya ghayal. And make sure that you hit with your hip like this. Hit with your hip. Hit up. So you go Saiya ghayal kiya re tune mora jigar. So you saw I brought my right hand, left hand and then look. Okay, can we do from the starting till here? Hop. Twist, turn, point.
कभी पार लगा तीरे नजर सैया घायल किया रे तूने मोरा जिगर.
Moving on from there, the music part. So in this, what you have to do is you just have to go as if you're falling, running, falling. So you go front, back, make sure you shift your weight right then left and back and left and right and left and back and left, and the body should look like as if you are falling. Now the hands will be, if the right leg is going in front, we're going to use the left hand first. So you go 1 2 3 4. So it's like swimming actually. 5 6 7 8. 1 and front. So side and front would be the look. 5 6 7 8. 1 and 2 3 and 4. Now from here you go 5 and 6. Okay, showing the bangles like this. 5 6 7 8. 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, the right side. You close and open. So what we can do is, we won't bend here first, we'll just go forward. 5 and 6 7. Take it like this in front. Okay, 5 6 7 8. Fall and look, 5 and 6 7. Now when I'm doing 7, I'm crossing my right leg like this, and when I'm going forward, I'm taking 3 steps. 1 and 2. Okay, 1 2 3 and pose. Now from here, going right side, again on the toes. Whenever I'm doing this kind of movement, the footwork, it is on the toes. Again this is like falling on the right side. Fall and turn. So use this hand to turn like this. Okay, the whole thing. 5 6 7 8. 1 and 2 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 8. 1 and 2 and turn. We try with music. Fall, side and turn. Moving on from there, the music continues. So what we have to do is, this time you just have to go cross and side, and while you do that, you have to hop. So you go 1 and 2 3 and 4. Okay, actually just 1 and 2. 5 6 7 8. 1 2, and then you go 3 4. Okay, you send your leg out, you hit it up. 5 6 7 8. 1 and 2 3 and 4. Repeat and 2. 1 2 3 4. So second time it's not twice, it's 4 times. Okay, 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 1 2 3 4. Now while I do that, I start facing profile. Okay, now from here, after you've done this 4 times, you just have to go side. Okay, it's really fast. It's actually side. Okay, 5 6 7 8. If you find this too fast, you can just go step and step. That is also easy. 5 6 7 8. 1 and 2. I'm doing like a 3 step, like a chassé. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 1 2 3. And using the shoulder, up and up. 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Turn and go hop and follow. So you do 1 2 and then you go 1 2 3. Actually do 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is as if, and then you go here. Okay, I'll come closer and do, and you go 1 2. So you go 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4. Do you want to see this with music? I'm sure you'll understand better. Let's see. So after we've done 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 4. That's it. That's all what you have to do. Let's do the whole music part from the falling part. Okay.
तीरे नजर सैया घायल किया रे तूने मोरा
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.